platform. So this is a SolidWorks. Students, what you have to do, you have to click on new project. See, the SolidWorks having the 3 modes, or we can say the modules, in which we have to work. Whenever we have to make parts, we have to use the part module, right? Parts means like suppose you want to design a gearbox, so the manufacturing of the designing of each gear that you can do in, you have to use this part module there, right, to make the individual gears. Second one is the assembly module. When you have to combine the different parts in one assembly, you have to use this assembly module. And the third one is the drafting or drawing mode, in which we generally that mode is used to prepare mechanical drawings, right, which will represent the tolerances, widths, and the various machining symbols which we can use to make that parts, to make that physical parts. So for the first 3 experiments, we have to use this drawing mode. So click on this drawing mode, then OK. Right. So this is the, here you have to choose the size, right, as we have to take the printout of the each experiment. So we use A4, right, that is a simple printed paper in which you have to make the whole assembly, right. Having dimension, the width is 210 mm and the height is 297 mm. That is of plain sheet paper which we insert in a simple printers, right. Then we have to click on OK, right. So this is the mechanical drawing. Students, here this is a title box where we have to put the details of our drawing, like in companies you have to use this mode in which you have to give your name, right, and you have to approve it from the different sections like manufacturing, quality insurance, right. When they give the clearance, then you have to submit the then you have to start the production of the same drawing, right. So material, bill, all will be represented on the same drawing. So what you have to do, you have to right click over the sheet and then you have to click on edit sheet format, right, and by which you have to select the whole sheet and press the delete key, right, by which the part will be deleted, right. Here we have to make our own title box. At the right bottom corner, we have to start it. Right. So for draw the title box, we have to use the sketch command. See, in drafting we have to use this sketch mode, right. These are the command. The first one is the smart dimensioning, second one is the line command, corner rectangular command, straight slot, polygon. That all commands we use during the manufacturing, during the drafting of first pulley, first experiment, that is the pulley. So first we will draw the title box. You have to just click on the corner rectangle and start with the left corner. Smart dimension, we have to fix this size as 150 mm. See, 150 mm, and here 50 mm. Right. So this is the title box. Here you have to draw the lines. First draw a vertical line. Fix this distance as 50 mm. Right. And on now we have to draw the symmetrical lines of 10 mm. Right. Either you can use you can draw individual lines, right, by using this line command. You have to draw the line, like see, I draw a line, and then by using smart dimension I can modify it as 10 mm, right? Or see, now I am using the first command. If you have to draw the symmetrical lines, what you have to do, just click on this offset entities, click on this line, right? See, the yellow line will begin. There will be a yellow line that will be, we want it in reverse direction at a distance of 10 mm, and then just click on this green icon, right? Again, offset quantity, this line in reverse direction, and we get these 5 lines there. Right? Here I will extend the line. Again, offset quantity. Okay. Offset quantity in reverse direction. Okay. Right. So this is the title box, students. Here what you have to do, in the first column you have to write down your UIDs. Now see, the sketching to draw the lines, to erase the lines, to make the circles, hexagons, we have to use the sketch mode. But for writing or provide some text to the sheet, we have to use the notation command. In the notations, choose this note command, right, which will represent via A alphabet. You have to use this. Place it over the sheet where you want to write. Just click there. Right. Here you have to mention your name. Okay. You can modify the text. Right. You want to use write in bold letters as well as in italic, you can use by using these commands. You want to place your name at the center, just use this, but try to follow this same pattern which I draw. Okay. So here you have to mention your name first, then your UID, ठीक है. These are the this will represent the dimensions of that particular box. You can delete it by simply pressing delete button in your keyboard, right? You can erase this. The third one, that is semester. After that, again you have to press the A notation. So next one, after semester, you have to write down in the last column, sorry, in the second last, the sheet name, and in the last, as we are making the mechanical drawing, so we are always working in MMGS system, right? So you have to write down here all the dimensions are in mm. Right, here you have to mention the date, sheet number, in the last column you have to mention evaluator or instructor sign. Okay, that you have to mention in the last column. Right, here evaluator will sign it, so you have to keep it blank. Right, only write down here signature. Right, now here we have to make the symbol, as the drawing is in first angle projection or third angle projection. You have to draw the symbol for the same. So students, check the drawing sheet. Okay, tell anyone, is it in first angle projection or third angle projection? Just check it, everyone. And tell it, is it in first angle projection or third angle projection? See, in this case we are seeing from this direction, right? So see, the first circle is made with the continuous line that will represent the end dimensions of this pulley. The second one is the dotted one. That means if we draw the circle from this direction, and see, if we see the view from the right hand side and place it on the right side, that will represent the third angle projection. But in this case, as the second circle is the dotted one, that will represent it is in first angle projection, right? As we seeing from the left side and draw the view at right side, so it will represent the first angle projection. So we have to draw the symbol of first angle projection here, right? So as you all know, we have to use the line commands. First, the central line command that we have to use. Here we have to draw the view of first angle projection. Right, now see, we have to draw the view of the first angle projection. So if we seeing from the this side, so what happened, there will be a big circle that we have to represent, right? Now first angle projection means we are seeing from the left hand side and draw the view at right hand side. Here the symbol will be see, we are seeing from this direction. If I draw the inner circle, solid one, right, that will represent the first angle projection, as we are seeing from the right hand side, right? And the bigger circle and the smaller one are the visible one, that means the left side view at the right hand side, right? And if I draw the same circle, dotted one, that will represent the third angle projection. So how to draw the dotted circle? You have to go for on the sheets. Sorry. Line format. From here you have to choose the dotted line. Circle. The same center. See. This is the symbol for the third angle projection, but we have to make the drawing in first angle projection, so we have to make this line as solid one. And here we have to draw a center line. So students, this is the title box which you all have to make during first lecture. Right, delete this arrow. Right, so this is the title box which you have to make in the first lecture. Clear to all of you? So draw it, and then we will start with the first drawing, that is the sheet number 1, production drawing, in which we have to represent the various symbols. Right, in the next lecture we will represent. We have to start with this. Right. So thank you everyone.